What's up mga bobo, no? Nandito na naman tayo, no? So, today's vlog, di tayo gagawa ng tayo ay manunod ng clip about earthquake in VIGAN. So, nagtataka kayo, bakit tayo manunod ng earthquake in VIGAN? Kasi tayo ay pupunta ng VIGAN. So, ayun, no? Kasi maraming ancestral homes do. So, mga luma, marurupok katulad mo. Pero di ko kaya kailangan natin maging prepared sa mga mangyayari, no? Kaya manunood muna tayo ng earthquake in VIGAN para maging prepared. Paano na lang kung magkaroon ng magnitude 69.5, di ba? Mamamatay ako. Patay na patay sa iyo. So ito na ang earthquake in VIGAN, no? Panoorin natin. Ulitin natin. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We all know that Vegan City is known for its culture preservation in terms of their ancestral houses and many more. Calle Crisologo dominates the Mestizo district with its cobblestone streets, Malacan, horse-drawn carriages, and rustic mansions. Near the white Baroque Vegan Cathedral are Plaza Salcedo, offering fountain light shows, and Plaza Burgos, known for its street food stalls.
Samantala, niyanig ng magnitude 5.9 na lindol ang bahagi ng VIGAN, Ilocos Sur.
Niyanig ng
At
magnitude
nadama rin sa iba pang bahagi
5.9
ng
na lindol ang ilang lugar sa Ilocos Region kanina madaling araw.
Hey everyone, it's Art. So for today's vlog, we are going to do the Earthquake Preparedness Plan video. These are the 6 ways in how to prepare for an earthquake while you are in a vacation. Pangit ang buhok. May mga bagay talaga tayo hindi natin alam kung kailan mangyayari. Katulad ng paglindol, pagsabog ng bulkan, yung pag-iwan niya sa'yo.
Pero di ko kaya bumitaw, ika'y masasaktan dahil
Paano kung nasa ibang lugar ka, tapos bigla na lang lumindol? Hindi mo alam gagawin mo? Kasi you don't know how is the correct preparation for an earthquake. That's why I am here to tell you all guys how to prepare for an earthquake while you are in a vacation. Number 1, bring an emergency kit. While you are in a vacation, you are in the place where you don't have anything. What you bring is only what you have. Always bring an emergency kit while in vacation. We do not know what might happen while we are sighting some itineraries and tourist spots. Number 2, check hazards in the vicinity. Vegan does not have that much building, but this city has a lot of old houses, churches, and streets called calle, which has weak foundation of rocks. When an earthquake occurs, it might fall or collapse easily. Identify safe places indoors and outdoors so that your family or friends know where to go when an earthquake happens. Number 3, educate your family and friends. Teach all family members what to do when earthquake occurs, especially when you are in different locations. Always be alert. Number 5, develop an emergency communication plan. Hello, Ma.
Saan ka ngayon? Nasaan ka?
Hindi ko alam saan ako pupunta eh.
Patay ka kasi di mo alam kung nasaan dapat. Sinasabihan kita noon, ayaw mo makinig.
Kasi alam ko, hindi ko alam. Ninakabahan ako kasi kakalindol lang. In case family members are separated from one another during an earthquake, develop a plan for reuniting after the disaster. What are the things that should be on your medical or first aid kit? First, plasters, used for small cuts and grazes. Dressings, used to apply pressure to larger wounds and help to stop bleeding. Bandages, used to support joints, hold dressings in place, put pressure on wounds and to stop swelling. Disposable gloves, used to reduce the risk of infection. Adhesive tape, used to hold dressings or loose end of bandage in place. Scissors or tweezers, used to cut bandages or sticky tape or someone's clothing if you need to get a wound.